In today's video, I'll be showing you guys an amazing hair growth butter that's going to help you to promote your hair and also leave your hair very soft. This hair growth butter, I have been using it and I love the result it has been doing on my hair, so I decided to share, and I hope you enjoyed this particular video with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment, and let's get started. The first thing we need is shea butter. Okay, this is the 2 shea butter I have, which will be converting it. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is moringa powder, and I'll be using neem powder. Just these 2 powder alone is enough for today's recipe, and we'll also be using in some oils, which is olive oil, and I'll be adding in my MSM powder because I use it for literally everything on my hair, and I'll be using Jamaica black castor oil. Okay, so you need a bowl to transfer in your powdered mixture. So I'm going to be using this measuring spoon to measure my moringa powder. Moringa powder has amazing benefits for hair growth. It strengthens your hair, it treats your hair from breakage, it helps for you to grow new growth. Okay, it helps to stop your hair from split ends, and also I'm using a teaspoon for today's recipe. And neem powder also has the same benefit as moringa powder as well, so that is the reason why I'm using it, because of the same benefit it has. And the difference between neem powder and moringa powder: when you use neem powder consistently on your hair, you see your hair is more fuller and thicker. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this particular video. So I'm just going to be mixing the 2 of them together, then I'll add in my MSM powder inside it, then we'll move to the next step. So right here I'm adding in my oil, my olive oil. So I'm using the teaspoon as my measuring. Okay, so 2, 3 and 4, so like 4 teaspoons, which will give you 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I want to say coconut oil. Then I'm also going to be adding in also 1 teaspoon of black Jamaica castor oil. All right, so I'm adding in oil so that when I'm infusing the butter inside, I love the result it always give you this soft and fluffy result. So I'm just going to mix everything together, mix, then we'll add in my shea butter. This is just normal shea butter. If you have this mango butter, you can add it. This is just normal shea butter, which I get from the market. Okay, if you see all these ladies that sell hair products, if you want to get shea butter, just ask them for shea butter. They'll direct you to where they sell shea butter and you can get shea butter. Shea butter is really good. You can use it for your skin. If you are having dry skin, rub shea butter on your skin. You see your skin will get smoother as it goes, as you use it consistently. Yes. Time for infusing. We are going to be using a double boiler method, okay, to infuse this. I don't want my ingredients to burn, so that's why I'm using double boiler method. So this way, when the water is hot, the glass plate will be hot as well, which will help to melt the shea butter to a oily form or oily paste. Yeah. So it's all melted and our butter is ready, not yet ready anyway, because we're going to allow this to cool down, and before we use my whisker to whisk it. Okay, so I've brought it out from the fire. You can strain this if you don't want the moringa and neem powder chaff. If you don't want it, you can strain it. So I left this in my fridge for several hours. This is what it looks like. So it's time to do the main work, which is this. Okay, this is very messy, so you have to be careful while doing this. This thing really scattered my whole kitchen. It really turned the whole kitchen upside down, but I managed it anyway. So I'm going to use this to mix everything together, like mix it to be in a very creamy form. You can see creamy form. You can see how the thing is flying up and down. Yeah. So it's going to be in a creamy form, which is really nice. I love the result I got from this butter. Use this butter to moisturize your hair, which I'll be showing you guys how easy to moisturize my hair. This butter has been helping the ends of my hair a lot, like really a lot. So we are done mixing everything, and it's time to transfer it. I'll be transferring it into my storage container, which this can last me for months. Okay, like months. When I say months, I mean 3 months thereabout, depending on how I use it. It's only me that use this. I use it sometimes on my daughter's hair, like if she's about to make a new braid, that's when I use it on her hair, because she doesn't like too much oils on her scalp. It makes her to sweat a lot. Yeah, but for me, I put this each time I'm trying to moisturize my hair, and I always put more at the ends of my hair. So this is how I use it. I left this to solidify just like this, and I'm going to be using it at the ends of my hair. It melts so easily on your hand. So I first of all go to the ends of my hair, like really take it to the ends of my hair, because those are the other parts of our hair and they need TLC. Just as how you try to moisturize the beginning, like your scalp, your hair, don't forget the ends of your hair, because those are the beginning of how your hair started to grow, the journey of how your hair started to grow. That's the ends of your hair, is the journey of when you cut your hair and you start growing your hair out. So that end part, that is the beginning of your journey. So you cannot just cut out the beginning of your journey just like that. You need to treat it well, so that as your hair keeps coming out, you'll not be having splits ends and breakage when you're trying to comb your hair. I hope you enjoyed this particular video with me, besties. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it. Like, you can see now, you can feel it. Can you feel it? The hair is bouncing. I'll see you all in my next video, guys, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Like, rub it everywhere in your hair, like everywhere. I don't joke with this herbal butter. I don't joke with it. I use it a lot, and it has been doing amazing on my hair. Like, see my hair now, guys. See my hair. See my hair. If you're an OG, you will know that this hair has really changed. All right, I'll see you all later. Bye.